Alright, we have the FNX 45 Tactical today. We're going to disassemble it for cleaning, and then we're going to reassemble it. Alright, it's already locked back. Nothing in the magazine well, nothing down in the chamber. So with it locked back, that's where we want it. We want it to lock back. This little lever right here, we're going to turn this lever clockwise, basically. We're going to pull it down. So we're going to pull this lever down, just like that. Now it's locked down. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to drop the slide, hold on to the slide, drop the slide, just pull it off. This is completely disassembled, ready for cleaning. I'm going to set it to the side, and then we're going to pull the slide apart. Now, to pull the slide apart, we're going to take the rod and spring, we're going to push forward. The barrel, we're going to take our little barrel nut off. Yours may be tighter than that, so you may have to take something to get it off. If you have to use a pair of pliers or something, make sure you put your rag between that pair of pliers and here, because you don't want to really scuff that up. Alright, now, forward, up, and out. Now, highly suggest before you clean any of this, you go ahead and take your red dot, if you have a red dot on it, go ahead and take your Torx screws, pull them out, take your red dot off, set it to the side, also take your light off, pull it off, set it to the side before you clean it, because you don't want to mess this up. But outside of that, this is completely disassembled, ready to clean, so we can go clean it, and we come back and put it back together. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video below. Thanks. Alright, we're going to put it back together. We're going to take the slide, take the barrel, put it down in the slide just like that. I'm going to go ahead and put the cap or the barrel nut. This is just the cap for the threading if you're not running a suppressor at the time. So we're going to put that cap back on. If you see this little groove down in there, this is where that little notch, this is where your rod's going to sit. This is the end of the rod that's going to sit down in there. This is the end of the rod that goes into the hole up front. So we're going to do it like that. We're going to put a little pressure, push it down in, make sure it seats down in that groove, and make sure it is proper. There's not a lot that sits down in there, but make sure it is seated down in there. Alright, so now we can put this back together. We're going to take the little grooves right here. We're going to put them on these little wings, just like that. We're going to rack it all the way back and lock it. Once we've got it locked, we're going to turn this counterclockwise. Just flip it. Drop the slide. Pull the trigger. Rack it. Pull. Rack it. Pull. Alright, she's put back together. This is the FNX 45 Tactical. It's ready to put back together and go do some shooting.